If you want to create files in Google Drive, this video is going to walk you through the process step by step in a very simple way. Whether you're making a Google Doc, a spreadsheet, or another file type, this is one of the easiest ways to start organizing your work in the cloud. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Google Drive tips. All right, let's get started. First, go to your Google account and open Google Drive. You can do this by heading to drive.google.com or by opening Drive from your Google Apps if you're already signed in. Once you're inside Google Drive, you'll see your main dashboard where all your files and folders live. Now look to the top left corner and click the New button. This is the main button you'll use to create something new in Google Drive. When you click it, a menu will appear with different file and folder options. From here, you can choose what kind of file you want to create. In this example, we're choosing Google Docs. So click on Google Docs, and a new tab will open automatically with a blank document. This is where you can start typing, writing, or building your content right away. If you wanted to create something else, like a Google Sheet or Google Slides file, you would simply choose that option from the same new menu. Once your new file opens, you can begin working immediately. Add your text, format your document, and make any changes you need. The best part is that Google Drive saves your work automatically as you go, so you do not need to worry about clicking Save every few seconds. That autosave feature is one of the biggest reasons people love using Google Drive and Google Docs. After creating your file, you may want to share it with someone else. To do that, click the Share button in the top right corner. A sharing window will open where you can name the file first if needed. This helps keep your drive organized, especially if you're creating multiple documents. Next, choose your general access settings. You can decide whether the file should be restricted, shared with specific people, or available to anyone with the link, depending on what you need. After that, click Done to confirm your sharing settings. Your file is now created, saved, and ready to use or share. And that's it. You now know how to create files in Google Drive quickly and easily. It only takes a few clicks, and once you get used to it, you'll be able to create new documents whenever you need them without any confusion. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.